Alright guys, welcome back to Garage Vibes. We got great vibes for you guys today. We got the RR10 Bomber, and I'm gonna dip in this box one time and show you what time it is. Let's see what this box have to offer. So let's get down inside it one time. Let's don't waste any time with this. Yeah, let's get down in here. Let's pop this box open, guys. Okay. Whoa. There we go. There we go, guys. I did it upside down. No big deal. We got the manual here. You know, your guidebook, everything. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to get down to the bomber and share the vibes. Whoa. We got everything just popping off. We got all the different pieces here. The wheel nut spanner. We got some extra pieces of accessories here. Got lots of stuff, lots of goodies here that we can use. Let's drop this. Radio controller. Nice and cool. Yep. It's got all the different trims and stuff right here. Very simple. Very simple. We got some different mood here that I'm not sure about. But you know it goes, guys. As we go by, we're gonna figure it out. Got different stuff right here. Yo, let's get down to the truck itself. Let's show you this bad boy. How do we get this cardboard out? There we go. There we go, guys. There's the bad boy. Wow. Let's check his suspension. Wow, we get nice travel right here. Yeah, the back of a real nice travel. It's all plastic all over. The plastic feels very durable. The wheels are soft, gushy. The grips feel really good. Yep. We got some nice beefy shocks here, blue shocks. Cool. Some nice design graphic on the side of it. We got some men inside it. Yep. Got two men inside it. Really cool. Wow, this is cool. I like that. Let's pop the clips and see what's going on. Nice flex. I like that. Yeah. Not gonna waste any time. Gonna dip right inside of it and show you what's going on. Pop this up. You can see the hood. Open up like so. Very cool, guys. Very cool. This is your servo up front here. Nice. Yep. You can see a clip here for your battery. So your battery will be coming in here. You got your plug right here for your battery. Just like so. Alright, let's get this package here. Let's go inside this and see what we got. Okay, we got some goodies. Yep. So this is our battery lead right here. And this is our battery, and this is our charger to charge the battery. It's your guidebook for the battery, the charger plug and battery plug for the battery, and this is your little charger right here. Cool. Very simple. You plug these two little tabs in here like so. Plus and plus. Negative and a negative. And this is going to charge your battery for you. Just like that. So it's pretty simple. Yeah, let's get into the battery. 11.1 volt. Let's just get on that battery, show you what's going on. There we go, guys. There we go. So you're just gonna plug this to charge the battery. You have to use this lead right here. Comes with some little extras to charge your battery. So you're gonna pop this in here like so, and your battery gonna be charged like this. All right, let's put it up on the truck. So it's have some life already. Let's see what you get. Okay, here, and like so. Okay, put this piece over here, and put this over here like so. Put the clips back. Like that. I like the little tabs that they put on the clips so you can easily hold it. It's a little bit tight. Okay, so that's it. We on. We gotta put some batteries in there. Okay, dokie, so let's put some batteries in here. Something is always gonna fall. That's all in the game. Alright. So we're good to go. Let's see. There is somewhere that we turn this on. Just gotta figure it out. There it is, off and on. Okay. Wow. Okay, not bad at all. Hey. Wow, it's quick. What is this for? That's for the steering. Backwards. It's pretty quick, guys. It's pretty quick. Alright, let's take it on the trail. Give it a run. Some motion. That one, let me see what I'm doing. Okay. Let's all stress the bottom on the first one. So big. It's so big, guys. Let's don't stress it on the first run. bomber is pretty quick. Let me self-rage in here, guys. I'll do my best. Again. Always go to the tree very easy. Move up the sheet. To the trail very fast. Keep going. The bomber clear the trail very easy, guys. Very easy. Easy. Okay, the bomber is doing his thing. Go around your shit. Doing his thing, guys. Go for it, does she?